بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Alhamdulillah والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله. My dear student, good morning to you all. Today, inshallah, we will continue taking our lesson for the third year. My name is teacher Inas Al-Hdaiti, so I hope you have your books ready because today we will start a new unit, unit number 2. We are already done with Eid celebration, so today, inshallah, we will start unit number 2. The name of the unit is called travel or transportation. Travel and transportation. This is the first lesson, lesson number 1. You will find this at page 22 and 23. Page 22 and 23. Have them ready with some pencil if you need to take some notes. So let's start. Bismillah. Let's try by remembering what we've learned in the previous lesson. In the previous lesson, if you could remember, and I know you remember well, that we discussed grammar. We talked about the subject pronouns, personal pronouns with verb be, and how to make yes/no questions. Also, we talked about possessive adjectives. My, her, their, our, his. Very good, very good. So, you will find this. This is the cover of the unit. As I told you, the name is travel and transportation. It's in a green color. Okay, so let's start. Let me ask you this question. If I ask you, how do you get to your school? Or how do you get to your work? How do you get to the supermarket or to the mall? Okay? Normally the answer requires a transportation, a means of transportation. How did you get there? Okay? So if you get this question, how do you get to your school? Most probably the answer will be one of these. By bus, by bike, by a car, or on foot. So let's read the question one more time. Remember, this is a very important question. In this unit, we'll be asking it several times. So, how do you get to your school? By bus. So, the mean of transportation, how did you get there? Using the bus. By bus, by bike, by car, and on foot. And on foot. Very good, very good. Let's go to the next one. So, you have this. We will start directly with the book and then I will go to the exercise and I will tell you why. So, as you can see, I need you to have them at page 22. I will have it zoomed in a minute, okay? So, as you can see, this is page 22. Have them ready and let's do the exercise together. Read and match. As you can see, I have 6 pictures here. 6 pictures of what? Are they pictures of houses? Are they pictures of shops? Are they pictures of children, schools, buildings? No, they are pictures of means of transportation, the way we get to a place. Okay, so as I told you, I have 6 pictures. Let's read here first and then let's try to guess the meaning of some words that we don't know already. So let's start by reading ship, airplane, train, bus, car, and bicycle. And bicycle, very good, very good. I'm sure that you already know some of them. Like for example, car. So if we start by crossing the word car, where's car, my dear student? So this is car, very good. So I hope you are writing with me. This is car, very good, very good. Okay, what else? What are the easy words that you already know? Yes, the word bus, very good. Bus, let's cross bus and let's write it in the correct place. Bus, excellent, excellent. Please, write with me. Next one I have is, what do you think? I have ship, airplane, train, and bicycle. Bicycle seems a familiar word. Very good, bicycle. Bicycle, very good. Let me try to... So I have ship, airplane, and train. Airplane, I usually use it for long destination. So this is an airplane. Very good. I have a train and a ship. Ship, always we use it in the water. So this is the ship and this is The train. Very good, very good. So let's try to read the words one more time. I will clean this one. So let's try to read it one more time together. Airplane, ship, train, car, bicycle, and bus. Let's read it one more time. Airplane, ship, train, car, bicycle, and bus. Very good, very good. Let's go to the next slide. This is the second half at page 22. So this is number 2. We'll be reading, but meanwhile, while we read, I need you to underline the words that are mentioned before, the transportation that we have before. Let me use a different color. So number 1, my young sisters go to school by bus. So where does the transportation mean here? The word is bus. Very good. Bus. Excellent. So let's read the sentence one more time. My young sisters go to school by bus. Very good. Number 2. I can travel from Riyadh to Dhahran by train. Train. So where's the transportation mean here? First I have bus. Number 2 I have train. Very good, very good. So let's read it one more time. I can travel from Riyadh to Dhahran by train. Very good. Number 3. Ahmed goes to work by car. Ahmed goes to work by car. What does the transportation mean here? It's car. Excellent, excellent. You're doing an amazing job. Let's go to number 4. The boys ride their bikes in the park. The boys ride their bikes in the park. The word is bikes. Very good. And I don't have one bike. I have more than one bike. Plural, bikes. Very good. Number 4. We travel to Hail by plane every month. We travel to Hail by plane every month. The word here I'm looking for is by plane, airplane. Very good, very good. Number 6. Some Muslims come to Mecca to perform Hajj by sea using a ship. Very good, using a ship. So let's go with the words one more time. Bus, train, car, bikes, plane, and ship. Very good, very good. Let's go to the next one. So this is the last part at page 22. This is number 3. So learn, read and learn. So here I have the questions. How to ask someone about the means of transportation that he's using or she's using. By asking these questions or similar questions. Okay, let's read. Question. How are you going to get there? To your work, to the hospital, to your grandparents' house. How are you going to get there? How requires answers like these. By plane, by bus, by a car, by bike, by train, or if it's close to your house, on foot. So let's read the question one more time. How are we going to get there? By plane, by bus, by car, by bike, or by train, or on foot. How long does it take? Now I'm asking about the time, the duration of the time. How long does it take? 40 minutes. What time does the plane leave? What time does the plane leave? It leaves at 5:30. It leaves at 5:30. Very good, very good. Let's go to the next one. Now, I have this exercise. I know you can help me with it. So with this exercise, I need you to help me to match. To your left, I have the pictures. To your right, I have the means of transportation. I have bus, truck, bike, car, and train. Let's try to match the word bus first. So where's the bus? Or what color is the bus? It's the blue one. Very good. So this is the bus. Excellent. Next one I have is a truck. So this is a new word I'm giving you. A truck. Very good. It's the purple one. This is the truck. Very good. Next one I have is a bike. A bike. Where's the bike? Very good. It's the yellow one. Very good. Next one I have is a car. Very good. This is a green car. And the last one I have is a train. Where's the train? This is the train. Very good, very good. You're doing an amazing job. So here I have bus, truck, bike, car, and train. Let's go to the next one. For this exercise, I gave you the words. Write the correct answer. I gave you the words or the answers to your left. Okay? So I need you to help me. I already gave you number one, which is a bus. I have plane, taxi, train, truck, and motorcycle. Okay, what do you think is number two? What is number two? Number two is, you are right, motorcycle. Very good, very good. Number three, what do you think? Number three is, yes, looks like a plane. Looks like a plane, very good. How about number four? Number four is, that's right, it's a train. Very good, it is a train. Excellent. Number five, it's a blue. It's a truck. Very good, it's a truck. And the last one here I have is a taxi or a cab or a car. Okay, so let's read the words. I have bus, motorcycle, plane, train, truck, and taxi. Very good. Let's go to the next one. Now, remember the question I gave you earlier or at the beginning of this lesson, and I said it's very important. How do you get to your school, or how do you get there? Okay, so we will try to build the answer until we will be able to write a complete answer. So number one, I go to school by what? I have a picture here, by train. Very good. I go to school by train. Very good. Now each time I will try to take off a word. There's a missing word. I go. Very good. I go to school by what? By car. Very good. I go to school by car. Very good, very good. Number three, I go to, yes, to school by, as you can see, by a bus. And for the last one, we will be able to write a complete answer ourselves. Let's do it. So look at the picture. How do you get there? Or how do you get to your school? Very good. I go to school. How? On foot. Very good. Walking. So I go to school on foot. Very good, very good. That's excellent. Let's go to the next one. Now, you have this at page 23. Make sure you have this in your book. I will have it zoomed in a minute, but make sure you're having this. So let's go to this one. Complete the conversation. So as you can see, I have conversation between Fuad and Rashid, okay, with some missing words. Use these words: train, 4 hours, leaves, and 12 p.m. Remember, we practiced similar conversation at page 22, so this is basically the same. So I have 4 spaces and 4 missing 4 words. Okay, so we'll be matching. Let's read. Fuad, how are you going to Dammam? How? By what? What do you think? What's the perfect answer here? By train. Very good. By train. Excellent, excellent. The perfect answer here is a train, by train. How long does it take? Now I'm asking about the duration of the time. How long? How long does it take? It takes, very good, 4 hours. It takes 4 hours. Excellent, excellent. Next question. What time does it? Now I have two words, leaves and 12 p.m. What time does it leave? Very good, leave. What time does it leave? Okay. It leaves at 12. Very good, at 12 p.m. Now, after we completed the conversation, let's read it together. Fuad, how are you going to Dammam? Rashid, by train. How long does it take? It takes 4 hours. What time does it leave? It leaves at 12 p.m. 12 p.m. Very good, very good. Let's go to the next part. Now I have another conversation with another spaces and some words I can use to fill these spaces. As you can see, complete. I have Saturday, by bus, cheap, and 4 p.m. And I have this conversation now between two girls. So we have Muna and Ghada. Let's read. When are you going to Qasim? We are going on. So what do you think? It's most probably a day, and I know you remember the days of the week. On Saturday. Very good. On Saturday. Excellent, excellent. We are going on Saturday. How are you going there? Or how are you going to get there? Remember, how requires a means of transportation. How are you going to get there? Or going there? We are going by bus. Very good. By bus. Excellent. We are going by bus. Is the ticket expensive? And we already know the meaning of expensive and cheap. Is the ticket expensive? No, it's cheap. Very good. It's cheap, or it is cheap. What time does it leave? What time does it leave? It leaves at 4 p.m. It leaves at 4 p.m. So now, after we completed the conversation, let's read it together. When are you going to Qasim? We are going on Saturday. How are you going there? We are going by bus. Is the ticket expensive? No, it's cheap. What time does it leave? It leaves at 4 p.m. It leaves at 4 p.m. Very good, very good. So, I don't think we have time for this. We will get to this in the next lesson, inshallah. So let's try to remember what we've learned in this lesson. In this lesson, we introduced the means of transportation. How can we get from one place to another? Perhaps by a car, by a bus, by a train, by a plane, or on foot, walking, okay? We answered the question, how do you get there? What time does it leave? Okay, similar question. How long does it take? Okay, so that was our lesson. Until I